Hello and welcome back. This is Opposites and Absolute Values part 2. Basically, if you were asked to find the absolute value of a number, you would do what we did in the previous video, which is count the spaces between the origin, 0, and the number itself. Count the spaces that it takes to get there. So, -3 would have the same absolute value as +3 because it takes three steps, 3 spaces to get there. Same thing with -30 and +30 both have absolute value of 30. You will see a lot of times in your homework assignments a minus sign, a negative sign in front of your absolute value assignments, and that basically means the opposite of. What is the opposite of -4? And when you read it that way, what you have to do is you have to deal with what's in the parenthesis, or deal with what's inside of the absolute value sign before you tackle the problem itself. So you have -4, and the opposite of -4 is 4. You have the absolute value of -12. The absolute value of -12 is 12 itself. 12 paces from 0. That's absolute value. The number 26, the absolute value of the number 26 is 26 itself, because 26 is 26 spaces from 0 on the number line. Here we have, what does that mean? It means the opposite of. When we have that extra minus sign, the opposite of the absolute value of -40. Well, first of all, the absolute value of -40 is 40. And the opposite of that is -40. These get really tricky. We'll do another one of these. Okay, here we have the opposite of the absolute value of -24. And the absolute value of -24 is 24. The opposite of that is -24. And that's it. Thanks.